So today we are going to learn continuous tense of all tenses, continuous form of all tenses, like I say present continuous, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Present continuous.
Mom and Dad, the ing is always there.
Very good.
Will plus verb plus form
Continuous,
plus ing in
past
future.
continuous. Yes. Past
Mom, in
continuous.
past continuous there will be verb plus second form plus ing.
Yes.
And mom
First,
have
continuous,
with
continuous means beta verb first form plus ing. The verb which is going in continuation, and the formula we are going to learn first. Let me explain. Okay, we will take it one by one. So now in present continuous, the work which we are doing currently. Okay, like I am teaching you English right now. I am teaching you tenses. Okay, and you are reading tenses or you are learning tenses. That is your current situation that we are taking in present continuous. And one example more you can take that is going on. Like you are studying in seventh class. Okay, so that is also present continuous tense. So what example, what formula I can write here? Subject plus auxiliary verbs are there. Is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, plus object. So what sentence I have made right now? I'm teaching English. I am teaching English. With I, children, we will use am. With he, she, it, we, or any other name, we will use is. If it is singular, we will use is. And for plural, we will use are. Okay. For plural, we are going to use are. I'm teaching English. Okay. Then, if I'm using it for singular, he is teaching English. He is teaching English. Then I will use is teaching English. Okay. If I use plural, we are teaching English. I hope I am clear up to this much, children. Is it clear up to this much? Show me your virtual thumbs. Virtual thumbs if it is clear up to this much. Anshika, clear? Astha, Akmal, clear up to this much, or shall I explain again? So we have we have continuous tenses, and in every tense we are having this form, like present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay. In first we are going to learn present continuous. When we are talking about the action which is going on presently, we use present continuous tense, or when the action which is happening from before and still happening. Like I have given you example, I am studying in 7th class. Okay, so that is still happening. So that comes in present continuous tense. So I have given you a formula: subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. I am teaching English. He is teaching English. We are teaching English. So with I we use am. With he we use is, he, she, it, or any other singular name we are using is. And for plural we are using are. Now it's clear to everyone. Show me your virtual
Excuse me,
thumbs.
ma'am.
Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, I have a sentence. Can I tell?
Yes, you can tell.
She is making a cake.
She is baking a cake. Okay, rather it is more correct. She is making in spite of she is baking a cake. Absolutely right, Anshika. So I think it's clear to you now. Okay. So now we are going to learn how to change into negative. Okay. Then what will be the formula? Subject plus, or shall I copy it down? Then I'll add something. Okay, I'm just writing. Subject plus is MR R plus not plus verb first form, same formula will be there, plus ing plus object. Okay, so same sentence now we are going to change in negative. Same sentence we are going to change into negative. Object. Now we are going to change into, okay, I am teaching English, I am not teaching English. I am not teaching English. I'm not teaching English, he is not teaching English, we are not teaching English. Okay, like Anshika has made this sentence, she is baking a cake. Can you tell me what we are going to write? She is baking a cake into negative. Can anyone tell me what I'm going to write? Come on,
She
children.
is not. She is not baking the cake.
Very good. She is not baking a cake. So for making it negative, we have to use not. Okay, and same formula will be applied. Like with I, we can use am. With singular, we can use is, and with plural, we are using are. Okay, like I'm not teaching English, he is not teaching English, we are not teaching English. Okay, then the next formula for interrogative. For interrogative, we are having auxiliary verb before the subject is am, are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus ing plus object. Okay, so now we are going to write plus question mark will also come here. Yes,
Ma'am, is she baking a cake?
very good. Is she baking a cake? Okay, and we can also use contractions like isn't, aren't, amn't. Okay, contractions also we can use. And if we change into negative interrogative, then what is going to be the sentence? If you are using contraction, you will write isn't.
Is she is not baking?
Yes. If you are writing full, like is she not baking a cake?
Is she not baking a
Yes. If you will use contraction, then you will use isn't she baking a cake? Okay. If I use contraction over here, isn't. If I'm using contraction, then keep it in mind that we have to use isn't she baking a cake.
She baking.
Okay. And if you're writing not, is she not baking a cake? Then you are going to write that. Okay. I think it is clear now, children. It is clear now. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will move on to past continuous tense. Again, past continuous tense follows the same. Okay. Like the verb which was previously were in continuation, that was comes in past continuous tense. Okay. So formula will be subject plus, what will be the change, children? Can anyone tell me what will be the change? Subject plus which auxiliary verb will come? Can you guess?
Third form.
If we are making past continuous tense, what auxiliary verb will come in spite of SMR?
was.
Yes, absolutely right. Was. Again, was is used for, Was is used for?
Subject plus was verb
Singular
plus
Yes.
verb first form plus ing.
Yes, verb first form plus ing
plus
plus object plus ing plus object. So can you change this sentence with a same sentence into past continuous?
Mom, she was baking a
was-
cake.
Yes, she was baking a cake. Very good.
He was driving the car.
Very good. She was baking a cake. And if I will
was
change
not
into
baking a
negative, if
She
I will
was
change
not
into
baking
negative,
a
she was
Mom,
not
she
baking a
was
cake.
not baking a cake.
Yes. This is positive. I can say declarative or positive, I can say. And when I'm changing into negative, we are changing into negative. She was not.
She was not baking a cake.
Yes, she was not baking a cake.
Is she baking a cake? Ma'am,
Yes.
was she
Was
baking a
she?
cake?
Was she?
baking a cake?
Yes.
Ma'am, in interrogative, was she baking a cake?
Yes, she
And
was
in
not baking a cake. Absolutely right. Baking a cake.
Was she baking a cake?
Yes.
She
Was she?
not going market.
Was she baking a cake?
And ma'am, in negative interrogative, was she not baking a cake?
Very good. Was she baking a cake or wasn't she baking a cake? Again, the same thing. Okay. Was she baking a cake?
Ma'am, in negative interrogative,
Yes. Wasn't she baking a cake or was she not baking a cake? Okay. Now we'll come on to the future continuous. Future continuous, which will be going to
Will
happen.
be.
Okay,
Ma'am,
continuously.
shall be.
Ma'am,
Yes,
will
I
be, shall be.
yes, I will be
Subject plus
going
will
to
be,
school
shall
tomorrow.
be.
Yes, absolutely right. Very good.
Ma'am,
So the
subject
formula
plus
will be
shall be
yes.
plus verb first form plus ing plus object
Very good. Subject plus will be shall be.
plus verb first form plus ing plus object.
Very good. Shall be plus verb first form plus ing
She will be baking a cake.
plus object. Very good. She will be baking a cake.
Okay.
Yes.
She will not be
Ma'am,
baking
she
a
will
cake.
not be baking a cake.
Very good. When you will change into negative, she will not be. She will be baking a cake.
She was not going
Ma'am, will she? Ma'am, in interrogative, will she
Will she
baking a
baking
cake?
Yes.
a cake?
Will she be? Will she be baking a cake? Then it will
Will
come.
she not be baking a cake?
Will she? Yes.
Baking a cake?
Yes. Will she not be making a cake? Yes.
Will she not be baking a cake?
Yes. Will she not be baking a cake?
Negative interrogative.
Yes. Will she not be baking a cake? Negative interrogative. Will she not be baking a cake?
She was not going the market.
Yes. She was not going to the market, or she will not be going to the market. If you want to change into future, she will not be baking a cake, or she won't be baking a cake. We can use contraction also. Won't. Okay. Won't be baking a cake. Cake. She won't be baking a cake. Won't she be baking a cake? Won't she be baking a cake? I think up to this much is clear. So now we will move on to the exercise part. Okay.